Witajcie kochani, podobnie Call of Duty, mam też buty, Nikolaj, to nie druty. Najgłupszy możliwy rymowany żart na świecie, powracamy na pole bitwy. Ja, oni, Price, jego wąsy, automaty z cyrylicą, laptop, który tu jest, skąd ja to wiem, sam nie wiem. Lećmy, dzisiaj odrobinę wcześniej, nie bez przyczyny. Okej. Psy! Pa! A, peta już po mnie idzie. Bang! O! Okej. O, close encounter. Zajmiemy sobie taki ładny sniping spot na górze. Mała kampa nie zaszkodzi, w końcu boty nie wypomną mi. Gęsto. Plum. Gaz! Pierunie. Opy. Lewis. Ciopa? Faktycznie. Good point. Price.
Sentries on the bridge up ahead. Stay out of the spotlight.
Dynamiczne światła w Call of Duty. Dzieci, zapamiętajcie ten widok. Buszujący w zbożu. Co się jedzie? Cicho. Fuck. Ah. Oszukaliśmy trochę system. Misja na czas. 5 minut. Flashback. O ty buszujący w tych, no, pałkach. W cieniu Jupiterów chce się pławić tym światłem. O! Wania! Szlak. To się chyba tak nie da. Flash. Jep. 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 A tam gdzieś był Intel, a? Dobrze pamiętałem. O, już, już.
and take out that job.
O, Price z przyjemnością.
Bloody hell! He's popping flares! This won't be easy. So, grab another stinger and fire again. Let's put him to the test.
Yeah! Oop.
Bloody nice shooting this, so. Good work, so. Everyone on me. Let's move out.
Dobra. A my się zawsze taplamy w jakimś gównie. A widzieliście to? Nie dość, że ja nie mam nóg, to naprawdę nie mam nóg. Ja pieprzę, woda jest z metalu.
Bravo 6, this is Warhammer standing by. Heard you could use some help down there. Call the shot.
Warhammer, fire mission, danger close. Enemy armor and infantry, 100 meters to the southwest of our location.
Gdzie nasz anioł Archaniel AC-130? A, tutaj. Lewis, czy ty jesteś głupi?
Bravo 6 will cover you all the way to the
A, mają rannych!
Roger that, Warhammer, we're moving now. Out. Come on, let's go.
Żaden sadyzm, że rannych niby dobijamy, tak? Hurra! Jedna misja za nami. Właściwie to pół. Czyżby miała to być misja, w której strzelamy z AC-130? Tak! Fajnie. Śmierć z nieba! Co nam więcej dziś potrzeba?
We are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us. Good eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
A, tak jakoś klimatycznie.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town. We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking. You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Dobra, nie będziemy strzelać w kościół.
One of the vehicles is moving right now. Personnel coming out of the church. We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage. Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see. Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church. Hot damn! Direct hit.
To...
Roger, guy moving.
Właśnie, tak, a propos AC-130, będziemy go mieli w dodatku do Battlefielda 3.
Out of the sweep angle, adjust elevation.
Kolejny powód, żeby go kupić.
Boom. Guy running. Light him up. Right there, tracking. Okay, he's moving again.
Kto jest w ruchu? A, ten.
Take him out. You gonna get him? Tracking.
Ja jestem sadysta.
Personnel right there. Direct hit.
No trudno go było nie trafić.
Roger, guy moving. Light him up. Alright, you got the guy. I might have been within 2 feet of him. Yeah, take him out. Copy. Smoke him.
Smokem?
Nail those guys. Shot! Clear to engage enemy personnel.
O,
Nail those guys.
powtóreczka.
You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle. Good kill. Good
O, ale odleciał. O, pojazd.
Yeah, clear to engage. There's armed personnel running out of the church.
O ty małpo.
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing to
Panowie, zdupiać!
fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing
Było
strobe
blisko.
light. Those are all hostiles.
Kaboom.
We gotta get back on those guys. Be careful, you almost killed our guys there.
No, widzę. Właśnie.
We got a moving vehicle here.
Gdzie mamy pojazd?
Set scan range.
A!
Tracking.
Spunkty!
More enemy personnel.
Gdzie? A?
Clean up that signal.
Łe!
Moving again. You got him. Yeah, direct hits right there. Nice. Rolling in.
Betka!
Recalibrate out on the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on
A już
the
bym
highway.
przydupił.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transports on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so. But that guy's pissed.
To jest wojna.
Truck. Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger.
Straty wliczone.
Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing.
Wreszcie strzelam w te auta.
Fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies. Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road. Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over. Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
Water Tower? Widzę.
Talking about the water tower near the intersection? That's Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that? Roger that. Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road. We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it? Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village.
Oh.
Stand by to engage ground targets. We got hostiles setting up along the curved road. Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Sorry panowie, nic z tej zasadzki nie będzie.
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn. Targets in the village are confirmed as
Bam!
hostile.
Bam!
Clear to
Bam!
engage. Smoke 'em.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out of the source. Clear a path for our
Kto
guys.
was atakuje? A!
U-shaped building. U-shaped building? Roger. Below the square structure on the roof, it's the one with the flat roof. Rolling in. Hot damn! Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Whoa! Kaboom. Hot damn!
Just to be sure.
Tracking. Kaboom.
Yep.
Target reset. We got a runner here.
O, faktycznie.
Yeah, take him out. That's it. Whoa! Set scan range.
Pancerna wieża ciśnij. Nie znałem czegoś takiego.
Enemy personnel on the road.
Gdzie?
Clean up that signal.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving.
Gdzie wy macie
towards
przeciwników?
the LZ. Do not
Przecież...
fire on any personnel marked
A.
with flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching
Oh,
those strobe lights.
oh.
Those are friendlies. Enemy personnel in the junkyard. Crew, go ahead.
O!
Man, these guys are going to town. Hot damn! Whoa! Target reset. Set scan range.
O! Kolejni.
Right there, tracking. Kaboom.
A tych troszkę personalni.
That person. Okay, he's moving again. Hot damn! You gonna get him? Tracking. Kaboom. Yep, that was right on target. More enemy personnel.
Gdzie ja chętnie goszczę?
Personnel right there.
A, tam.
Roger, guy moving. Hot damn! Okay, he's moving again. Guy running. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Whoa!
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you
Oh!
stay in the vicinity of the LZ.
Oh.
Good kill, good kill. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. You got them. Kaboom. You got them. Copy. Crew, be advised. Friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire.
Poniosło mnie trochę, owszem.
Wildfire, we're moving towards the helicopters.
Oh.
Thanks for the assist. Bravo 6 out.
This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel. I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.
Co to było?
Heavy fighting continued throughout the night as U.S. Marines continued to push towards the capital city in pursuit of Khaled al-Assad. Sporadic fighting can be heard as the bulk of al-Assad's forces fall back towards the presidential palace.
Command, this is Lieutenant Vasquez. War Pig is en route. We're not missing this party.
Oj, nie przegapimy. Tak jest, kochani, a świnią bojową będziemy już w następnym odcinku. Dziękuję wszystkim za uwagę. Do jutra.